Biology never ceases to amaze humankind. When looking at a full-grown organism such as a human or an elephant, do you wonder how they develop to such large mammals from microscopic cells? The answer is reproduction, specifically mitosis and meiosis. Although both of these processes produce different cell types, they are essentially cut from the same cloth, so to speak. Both start from the cell cycle and go from there, so to know about mitosis or meiosis, you must first learn of the cell cycle. The cell cycle consists of the stages of a cell's lifespan. The first phase of the cell cycle is interphase. Cells spend about 90% of their lives in interphase in preparation for mitosis or meiosis. The first stage of interphase is the G1 phase, where the cell grows to its maximum size and duplicates all of its organelles. The next stage is the S phase. This is when the nucleus duplicates all of the DNA within itself, like so. The third and final stage of interphase is the G2 phase, where the cell goes through a rapid metabolism and prepares for mitosis. Mitosis has 5 stages. In the first stage, prophase, chromatin fibers condense into visible chromosomes as the nuclear membrane dissolves. Spindle fibers also start to form. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell, forming what is known as the metaphase plate. During anaphase, the sister chromatids start separating from each other as the spindle fibers pull them towards opposite sides of the cell. The second to last stage, telophase, as the spindle fibers dissolve, the nuclear membranes reform around both sides of the cell, and the chromosomes uncoil back to their original state. Finally, cytokinesis splits the cell membrane in half, creating 2 identical cells that repeat the cycle. Cells go to mitosis for 3 reasons: to reproduce, due to some organisms reproducing asexually by simply dividing into 2; to repair, for when you get a bruise, for example, many of your cells are destroyed in the process, so mitosis produces cells that replace the lost ones. And to regrow. Mitosis is the very reason why we grow from a fertilized egg to an adult, after all.